Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a card for Children's Day. For this I have taken blue, black and white color paper. First take the blue paper, fold it into half. Then using anything circular, draw a semicircle as shown. Then draw as shown and cut along the outline. I am going to make a cute and unique card for Children's Day. Next, using the remaining paper, draw a circle as shown and cut along the outline. Next, take a piece of white paper, fold, draw a circle and cut as shown. Here I am using circular lids of different sizes. You can also use a pro circle if you have it at home. Glue the circles as shown. You can now glue this to the card. I think by now you would have guessed what I am making. Yes, I am making a teddy bear theme card. Now let's make the eyes, nose and mouth for our teddy bear. And glue the pieces as shown. And the front part of our teddy bear is now ready. Now take the remaining white paper, place the card as shown and draw an outline. Leave some space and cut the paper as shown. Glue this inside the card. Now you can write whatever message you want. Here I am writing, Happy Children's Day. Continue being amazing. Finally, I am drawing some small stars all around the card. And a cute card for Children's Day is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.